You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. As a third-degree felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Pause right there. Third-degree felony, up to 10 years in prison. This is not traffic court, this is life-changing territory. The big question, is the judge about to give mercy or make an example? Stay with me.
22 CR 10787, State of Texas versus Brittany Cruz. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Debbie Cruz on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Somebody is not right.
Are you Ms. Cruz?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, had you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. If you all could either whisper in the box and move to the other end so the court reporter will be able to hear. All right, Ms. Cruz, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Cruz, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. As a third-degree felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
This is huge. By taking this plea, she's giving up a jury the right to confront witnesses, even the safety of silence. Once that door closes, it almost never reopens. White right pointing back hand index, would you risk it or roll the dice at trial?
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Cruz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the indictment as presented. There's a $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your term of deferred adjudication be for 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, and drug education course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? To the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Doesn't.
State any evidence?
At this time, the state introduces State Exhibit 1 and all of the tax returns, Your Honor.
No objection.
All right, state, you can confer.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Cruz, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Okay, now we move from paperwork to personal history, and judges listen very carefully here. Family, children, stability, this is where sentencing can tighten or soften fast.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
It's her first felony offense. Seems to be doing well. She's working part-time right now, cleaning homes. We're asking the court to grant her application.
All right, who is Sergio Huerta?
That's my ex.
Do you have any children with him?
No, no.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many?
2,
Ages?
11 and 10.
Where are they?
My daughter's with my ex's sister, my ex-sister-in-law, and my son is going forward with my mom.
All right, so was Child Protective Services involved?
Yes,
And were your rights terminated?
yes.
Are those the only 2 children you have?
That was
What have you,
14.
are you living by yourself?
No, I live with my boyfriend.
Does he have any children?
Yes.
Do they live with you?
They live with me. Well, I'm staying there, so just,
I mean, do the children live with him?
yes.
And what are their ages?
18 and 2 twins are 16.
All right, any children under the age of 16?
No, mom.
Where, just as a side note, where is their mom?
Oh, well, they're going through a whole, that's,
Okay. When you,
Yeah.
when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you are going to get a drug test today.
yes.
What is the result?
Yes.
All right, when's the last time you used?
A couple of weeks ago, I believe, but I've been.
What did you use a couple of weeks ago?
Maybe like 3 weeks.
No, what did you use? What substance?
Wait, did you catch that? She's in court on a drug case and admits she used just weeks ago. For many judges, that's a red alarm flashing. Rehabilitation may not be working.
Methamphetamine.
Okay. All right, any other questions?
Just to clarify, Judge, the CPS case was in 2013.
Yeah, it's, still providing for her.
You give her money,
Yes, yes.
and she does send her daughter.
All right, 2 years deferred adjudication.
And here it comes. Watch how Stephanie Boyd keeps the plea deal, but builds a wall of conditions around it. This is the courtroom version of trust, but verify.
$1,000 fine probated. Restitution to the Bexar County Lab for testing. No unsupervised contact with minors. No contact with Sergio Pablo Huerta. Drug education course. I want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. 150 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to order parenting classes because there are minors that she's in contact with. And if she ever intends to have any contact with her 11-year-old and 10-year-old, she's going to need parenting classes. Once she completes the parenting classes, the remaining of the community service hours can be waived. I'm going to want proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider, no employment with minors, and you are not to be employed at any location, restaurant, whose primary source of income is through the sales of alcohol. You understand? I'm going to want a TAP evaluation, and you need to be honest in the TAP. If the TAP evaluation recommends inpatient treatment, I'm going to want intensive outpatient treatment. If it recommends outpatient, supportive outpatient, I'm still going to want intensive outpatient treatment. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We're going to do the UA hotline with her, and we're going to do the UA hotline with her for at least 3 months, and we'll see how that goes. If all goes well, then she can go to regular testing. And I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month, and we can do that for 3 months and see how it goes. Probation, is there anything else that she needs? Yes. Is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, not that I could think of right now.
All right. In this court, your attorney will tell you communication is key. When people are placed on deferred adjudication or probation, I want them to be successful. I don't want to have to send somebody to prison. Many of the people that you see over in the box, they were either on probation, didn't communicate, didn't report, or whatever they did not do. You understand? Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing, meth and all of these drugs that people are doing on the street, you don't know what's in them. Maybe the last time you use it, don't let that be you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
If you want more real courtroom breakdowns like this, make sure you subscribe and don't miss the next case.